In order to find emoji settings on Google Pixel 10, all you have to do is open Settings, scroll down a little bit in order to go to System, then choose Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and then choose Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Now we can go to Emojis, Stickers, and GIFs or GIFs, and you should be able to find, for example, suggestions over here for emojis, like suggestions while typing. So over here we can turn it on or off. We also have the Emoji Kitchen. We can show buttons to add multiple emojis, and here we also have Emoji Fast Access Row and emoji symbols in emojis in symbols keyboard. Besides that, if you have 2 languages added to the keyboard or more, then you can go to Preferences, and over here we have Emoji key, which can be used instead of having the language switch key. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.